When we talk about the cargo, the first thing that hits our mind is massive cargo aircraft. The cargo, also known as freight, which refers to goods or product that is transported from one place to another. A cargo aircraft is specially designed to carry cargo rather than passengers. Do you know which is the world's largest cargo plane? So, let's find out. Before we go further, please like and subscribe to us. It is Antonov An-225 plane, which is also known as An-225 Mriya. This massive aircraft was designed and manufactured by Ukraine's Antonov Design Bureau. The term Mriya is described as the word dream or inspiration. This aircraft is powered by 6 huge D-18T turbofan engines that are able to produce 309,600 pounds of thrust. The Antonov 225 is a true monster of the sky, which has a length of 275 feet. It has an empty weight of 285 tons, and it is able to carry a maximum takeoff weight of 640,000 kilograms. This monster has a fuel capacity of 660,000 pounds, which provides an operational range of 15,400 kilometers. This plane holds a number of records, which includes the Guinness World Record of the widest wingspan of 290 feet. Do you know that? It holds the world record for airlifting total payload of 559,577 pounds, which is the equivalent weight of Cessna 172's max gross weight. You may be amazed to know that this huge aircraft landing gear consists of 32 wheels in 16 pairs, which enables the Antonov to be able to turn within 200 feet wide runways. The aircraft is able to reach a maximum cruising speed of 800 kilometers per hour, and it needs around 3,000 meters of runway for takeoff. The monster aircraft can touch a maximum ceiling of 9,000 meters. You may be amazed to know that An-225 was first flown on the 21st of December 1988 from the factory aerodrome in Svyatoshyn, Ukraine. The Mriya was developed to use in flying space launching sites as a reusable aerospace transport system. In the year of 2009, Antonov 225 has set the world record for carrying 187.6 tons single payload from Frankfurt to Hahn Airport. It can carry a maximum of 6 crew members, which includes a pilot, co-pilot, 2 flight engineers, navigators, and radio operator. Along with this, it can also carry up to 70 passengers as well. That's up for today. I hope you liked this information. For more interesting videos, subscribe now and make sure to share it.